Hey guys, Retro on you again. I'm here with another opening of Homelands. I'm going to do 5 more packs from my box, which once again came straight from Of Mice and Magic, based out of Maryland. Thank you again, guy. You've been a very good friend to me, and you will continue to be my source for as much as I can possibly purchase from you. So here we are on our reserve list hunt, also trying to get a complete set of Homelands. Can we do it from one box? I don't know. We have gotten, what was it, 12 now reserve list cards? Or is it more than that? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, yes, 12. I was remembering correctly. 12 reserve list cards so far. Out of 35 that are total in the set. Don't think we have gotten any repeats yet either, which is surprising, I think. Maybe just good randomization back then. Who knows? But here we are with pack number 1. And we'll see what we get. Alabam's Tower. Torture. Abbey Matron. Cemetery Gate. Ace and Bureaucrats. Dry Spell. Aaron the Relentless. And Anhava Constable, who is not on the reserve list either. That's okay. We have gotten, honestly, more than I thought I would so far, so I'm not going to be discouraged yet. Like I said, there's 35 reserve list cards in Homelands. I had 60 packs here, each with 2 chances. Ambush Party, Carapace, Laborator, Shrink, Sarah Paladin, Dark Maze, Anhava Township, and Death Speakers. Ooh, okay. Well, we've just whiffed twice. That's not gotten off to as good a start as other videos in this series, but it'll be okay. I'm still having fun with this. Whether I reach my goal or not, I'm still not regretting cracking these open. Alright. Rotorotopter. Mesa Falcon. Sarah Bestiary. Cemetery Gate. Renewal. That's one I hadn't seen before. Memory Lapse. Sengir Autocrat. And Ice and Shade. Believe it or not, that was a really good card back in the day. Back when Swords of Plowshares was running rampant. Ice and Shade was a big creature. 5/5 for 6 was actually a lot better back that day than it is now. I mean, it's pretty trash now. I understand. But back in the day, it was a reasonable rate. Alright, here we have an Ambush Party, Hungry Mist, Dark Maze, Dwarven Trader, Folk of Anhava, Giant Albatross, Roots, and Wizard School. Okay, this is now getting concerning for me. We've had 4 packs. Nothing from the reserve list. But, yeah, no buts. That's concerning to me. Have I gotten everything I was going to get now? That's... well, it'll be alright. We'll deal with it. We still got a ways to go. Alright, Samite Alchemist. Leaping Lizard. Now, this has a story behind it. Back in my day, when we were walking uphill to school both ways in the snow. There was a rumor that in one of the upcoming sets there would be a card that was 1313 that cost 1 mana. And it was going to be called Leaping Lizard. Of course, it was spread by word of mouth. The internet wasn't really a thing back then. And a lot of people believed it. And so this card, obviously not 1313 for 1 mana. That would come out way later in Death Shadow, but that's another story. But this was a nod to that rumor. Leaping Lizard. So there it is. Feast of the Unicorn. Clockwork Gnomes. Shrink. Memory Lapse. Spectral Bears. And Sea Sprite. Oof. Oof. Whiffed on all 5. You know what? Let's make this a longer video and we'll do 5 more. I can't believe we had so many the first several videos. And now I have just completely whiffed. So we're going to do this extra special. Make the executive decision because I run the place. I'm going to do 5 more. If we still can't get a reserve list card, well, that'll be sad. I mean, I'm not disappointed because there were cards that I did not have for the set, which is helpful. But reserve list cards are a whole lot harder to get hold of. Alright, Temerian Fiends. There's a reserve list card. There we go. Finally got one. So was that first 5 packs I did on this video, was that a fluke, or were my first few videos all flukes? We'll see, I guess. Alright, Koshkin Keep. And Dwarven Sea Clan, which also on the reserve list. Alright, I guess we're back on track now. You know, I couldn't get one in every pack every time, right? But here we go. I promised you 5 more. We're going to do 5 more. Not going through the commons anymore because I'm sure we've seen all the commons by now. I'll stop on something that's really interesting. Alright, Sarah Inquisitors. And Anhava Inn. So, the only cards that are really worth anything in this set, like money-wise, are Koskin Falls. I'm sorry, Koskin Falls and Didgeridoo. So that's what we're really looking for here. But I already have a copy of each of those, so I'm not going to be too upset if I don't get one. Sea Sprite and Irini Sengir. Alright, so this isn't up to the par of my first 3 videos, but still better than the first 5 packs I opened on this video. So anyway, moving along. And Koshkin Keep, this is not the card I was talking about. And Grandmother Sengir, there's another reserve list card. So there we have it. 3 reserve list cards out of 10 packs, which not exactly the best rate, not exactly the rate I was hoping for. But that does bring my total to 15. 15 of 35, so I just need 20 more. 20 more out of the rest of this box, which still feels pretty full. I've done, 25 packs so far, so I should have 35 left. So can I get 20 reserve list cards, different reserve list cards, out of those 35 packs? Stay tuned. Same bat time, same bat channel. for those of you who also old like me. As always, thanks for watching.